Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes fix Windows 10 Store not downloading apps. Open Chrome browser. Search Run Troubleshooter for Windows apps. Click Microsoft website to download the application. Click Troubleshooter. Double-click the downloaded file. Another method is check the update services are running properly. Type services in search bar. We have to check two services, one Windows Update, another one service background intelligence service. Make sure startup type is automatic and restart the service. Another one service is background intelligence service. Make sure startup type is automatic and restart the service. Another one method is reinstalling Windows Store apps using command. Type CMD in search bar. Click Run as administrator. Copy the command from description and paste it to command window. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you, see you next video.